In this video, I will show how to put the date on a cell in Excel. So type this formula equal date, select it. Now here enter the date, comma, so year, then month, then day. Press enter. Select it, then right click on it, format cell. So in the format cells, you can select any style or any format. Also, you will find in the custom some options. And once you select the date, so and once you enter this formula, now and close the bracket and press enter. So you have the exact date with time. Same, you can format and you can select any format here. So make sure you select in the date. Also, you will find in custom some date format like this. Thanks for watching.